Happy birthday, Anna.
Happy 16th birthday, Anna. All you are.
I'd fall anywhere with you, I'm by your side.
Oh, you're 16.
In the rain, humming melodies. Anywhere.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anna. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
It's a long time, but I wouldn't mind spending it by your side. Carefully replaced for our destiny. You came and you took us heart and set it free. Every word you write or sing is so warm to me, so warm to me. I'm torn,